go roll it over. Are they still inside?
Yeah, but the airbags are off. I can't see anybody and the doors are locked.
Get out of there. Have you got them out or no?
No.
They're still inside. The airbags are forward.
Like 2 minutes ago. If 2 minutes ago.
Get some more units. We don't have any trucks. Can you hear me? All right. What's your name? What's that? Linda? All right, Linda. We're going to get you out of there, okay? All right, dear. Is your seatbelt on? I got it, Fletch. Is your seatbelt on, ma'am? Are you hanging upside down? Okay. Well, before I got the back window broken and I'm inside, she's hanging upside down from the seatbelt. What's that, dear? I know you can't move. Just stay still, okay? We're going to get you out. Miss Linda, can you hear me? Get your head out of the water, Miss Linda. Give me a knife. I got it. You gotta cut around. Miss Linda.
Yes.
Okay. Stay still. Don't move. I'm gonna cut that seatbelt, okay? All right. Get on the radio. Tell them what's going on. Get her head out of the water. Here. Oh shit. Miss Linda. Somebody grab my arm. Somebody grab her arm. Come on. Grab my arm, Miss Linda. John, get over here. I got her. Breathe. Breathe. Hold still. Hold her still. You okay? Just breathe. Long for her. Just cut her out. She was submerged. You're right. Breathe. Keep your head sideways. Give her a second. Hey, let's get back up. Yep. Can you hold that? Yep. Come on, Miss Linda, here we go. We gotcha. We got it. Hold on. Watch your step. Hold on. You going head first? Yeah. All right. We gotta go head first. Watch your back. You want to swap out with? Got it?